Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Buddy. I hope you're finding these daily biology MCQs and Sunday's unit-wise MCQs helpful in your preparation for the upcoming NEET exam, and if you are finding them helpful, do share it with your friends and other NEET aspirants as well. Also, if you have any suggestion or doubts, you can ping us in the comment section. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 52. The plant of Triticum aestivum is option A haploid, option B diploid, option C tetraploid, or option D hexaploid. Plant of Triticum aestivum is. Correct answer is option D. It is hexaploid. Question number 55. One example of animal having a single opening to the outside that serves as both mouth as well as anus. Option A octopus, option B asterias, option C ascidia, or option D fasciola. Single opening that acts as both mouth as well as anus. Correct answer is option D, that is fasciola. Fasciola hepatica, which is also a liver fluke, comes under the phylum Platyhelminthes. It has a single opening that serves as both mouth as well as anus. Question number 77. Earthworm has no skeleton, but during burrowing, the anterior end becomes turgid and acts as a hydraulic skeleton. It is due to option A setae, option B coelomic fluid, option C blood, or option D gut peristalsis. Earthworm has no skeleton, but during the process of burrowing, the anterior end becomes turgid and acts as a hydraulic skeleton. This anterior end becoming turgid is due to. Correct answer is option B coelomic fluid. Question number 59. There is no DNA in mature RBCs, a mature spermatozoa, hair roots, and enucleated ovum. There is no DNA in. The correct answer is option A. Mature RBC does not contain any DNA and there is no nucleus itself in a mature RBC. Question number 59. There is no DNA in mature RBCs, a mature spermatozoa, hair roots, and enucleated ovum. There is no DNA in. The correct answer is option A. Mature RBC does not contain any DNA and there is no nucleus itself in a mature RBC. Question number 74. Ancestors of man who first stood erect was Australopithecus, Cro-Magnon, Java ape man, Peking man. The correct answer is option A, Australopithecus. Question number 88. Thermococcus, Methanococcus, Methanobacterium exemplify bacteria that contains a cytoskeleton and ribosomes, archaebacteria that contain protein homologous to eukaryotic core histones, archaebacteria that lack any histone resembling those found in eukaryotes but whose DNA is negatively supercoiled, bacteria whose DNA is relaxed or positively supercoiled but which have a cytoskeleton as well as mitochondria. The correct answer is option 3. Question number 57. Select the correct statement about biodiversity. Large scale planting of BT cotton has no adverse effect on biodiversity. Western Ghats have a high degree of species richness and endemism. Conservation of biodiversity is just a fad pursued by developed countries. The desert areas of Rajasthan and Gujarat have very high level of desert animal species as well as numerous rare animals. You have to select the correct statement about biodiversity. So the correct statement is option 2 is correct. Western Ghats have a very high degree of species richness and endemism. Question number 95. In eukaryotic cell transcription, RNA splicing and RNA capping takes place inside nucleus, dictyosome, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes. The correct answer is option 1, nucleus. Question number 51. Satellite DNA is important because it codes for enzymes needed for DNA replication, codes for proteins needed in cell cycle, shows high degree of polymorphism in population and also the same degree of polymorphism in an individual which is heritable from parents to children, does not code for proteins and is same in all the members of the population. Satellite DNA is important because the correct answer is option 3. It shows high degree of polymorphism in population and also same degree of polymorphism in an individual which is heritable from parents to children. Question number 54. Stir tank bioreactor have been designed for addition of preservatives to product, purification of product, ensuring anaerobic conditions in the culture vessel, availability of oxygen throughout the process. Stir tank bioreactors have been designed for. Correct answer is option 4, so that there is availability of oxygen throughout the process of fermentation. Question number 55. DNA replication occurs in G1 phase, S phase, G2 phase, M phase. DNA replication occurs in. Correct answer is option B. It occurs in the S phase. Question number 72. Total number of pairs of floating ribs in human body are 4, 8, 6 or 2. We are talking about pairs of floating rib. The correct answer is option D. There are 2 pairs of floating ribs in human body. Question number 81. Toxic agents present in food which interfere with thyroxine synthesis leads to development of toxic goiter, cretinism, simple goiter, thyrotoxicosis. The correct answer is option C, simple goiter. Question number 80. An example of seed with endosperm, perisperm and caruncle is coffee, lily, castor, cotton. Example of seed with endosperm, perisperm, caruncle is. Correct answer is option C, that is castor. So those are the MCQs for today. I'll see you guys again in the next video. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.